Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all fine. In this video I am going to show you how to create beautiful line patterns in Adobe Photoshop. As you know, all designers use patterns a lot. So in this video I will show you all you need to know about patterns. So I will teach you how to create line patterns, how to create rectangle patterns and zigzag patterns, as you see. So I close all these documents and create a new one. So create a new document. I use default Photoshop size and name it pattern. Hit create. So now I will create a new document with a 40 by 40 pixel and just change the background color to transparent and hit create. So first I will create the line pattern, use the line tool from the rectangle group, and then draw a line. Try to hold down shift while you draw the line to make it a straight line, and then change the color from white to completely black. And then what I am going to do is just remember that this is a tricky part. So before you align it at the center, because this document is 40 pixel by 40 pixel, so this line is 1 pixel, so it take 1 pixel. So if I go to select all and use the move tool to align it at the center, it is not actually at the center part of the document because it already take 1 pixel of this document. What I mean is okay, I will show you what I mean. So I use the crop tool to crop this document. As you see, so the top and the bottom part is not equal. If I hit enter, see, we have like 1 pixel at the top. So what is the solution? I hit Ctrl Z. So the solution is this, that you must go to image size. So we have 40 by 40 pixel document, so I just add 1 more pixel to the height, like 41 pixel. So this 1 pixel is for this line. It means it holds the 1 pixel at the center part of this document, and then the 20 and the 40 pixel divided into 2. It means we have 20 pixel at the top and 20 pixel at the bottom, and hit OK. Okay, so this is the problem that you will face, but I create a new layer, delete this line, draw another one. So you can do it when you create a document. It will be much easier. Okay, select all and align it at the center. And now I am not worried about the spacing, the space at the top and the bottom. So so when you define it as a pattern, actually patterns convert all this document into pattern, like it repeat this line at this part. I mean, so if I go to edit, define patterns, name it line test, and hit OK. So I go back to pattern and draw a rectangle to demonstrate how it works. Then use the effects, pattern overlay. So we have the line pattern here. So if I apply it, and as you see, the space between these lines is too much. So how can I decrease the space? Use the crop tool and make your document small, and then hit OK. Go to edit and define patterns, line P, so name as you like, and then come back. So let me pick a nice orange color. So we have the final one, and as you see, the space between the line is very nice, not too much or not too loose. So you can play around the opacity, you can play around the blending mode, like you can use overlay, you can get a better result. Angle, so even you can change the angle to 90 degree to make it like 90 degree line. So this is how you create a line, a straight line pattern in Adobe Photoshop. So you can use it anytime you want, or on any project. So now I create the zigzag pattern. So I use the same document, I just undo some steps and create a new layer, delete this shape and use the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle. So I use fill to none and use stroke 1 pixel, and then rotate it like 45 degree. Use direct selection tool, select this anchor point and hit delete. So copy this layer, and then so you can merge it to make it stronger, like as you see the color is like blurry, not very good. Or you can decrease the size to 2 pixel, but as you see the difference to 2 pixel, and then I change this one as well to 2 pixel, and then move one of these down and select both of them, and then move it up. So I just select both layers and then hold down Alt key to size it down and move it up. So play around this, and then move this document 1 pixel out of the actual size. One or 2 pixel, yep. Yep, that's good. And then align it at the center, deselect. So now, as I mentioned in the line pattern, these are the space between this zigzag line. I just decrease the size of the document a little bit, and then hit OK. Go to edit, define pattern, name it zigzag, hit OK. So if I come back to this document, and I will have the zigzag pattern here, and you can change the angle to 90 degree or 0 as you wish. So this is the zigzag one, and here's, and then use the rectangle. So now this time I make the document bigger, like 80 by 80 pixel, hit OK. So draw another rectangle and then use 4 pixel, 4 or 3 pixel, and then rotate it again, and then copy this layer, and then so increase the size of this rectangle. And then align it at the center. Then as previous one, make the document smaller and then hit OK. Go to edit, define pattern, name your pattern and hit OK. So go back to pattern document and update the pattern and see the result. This is how you can create rectangle pattern. So if you want to make the rectangle in a different size, so you can always make it smaller and then or move it here and copy one of these rectangle, move it to the left and then select all of them. Make sure that these layers are in the document, not out of the document, and then go to edit, define patterns, so give it any name you like and then hit OK. Go back and update the pattern and you will see the result. See, you can create your own pattern, any kind of pattern, and save it and use it anytime you like on any type of project. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, let me know, ask it in the comment below. So thanks for watching again. See you next time.